Well, my friends, what's going on? It is a little bit of a different video today. I'm gonna try to edit and put my clips together. There I am. Hello. I am waiting for a train here uptown. The journey of the day is going to bring us to an audio store. We are going to visit EQ Audio Video in Barrie, Ontario, which is north of Toronto. And I am going to hopefully listen to some new speakers, some new gear, get some demos, talk with the owner, Ed, and we'll see who else is in the shop. I haven't been up there since before the winter. The winter time pretty much shut down a lot of stuff, including travel and whatnot. Let me flip my camera. It is extremely sunny out here. I am wickedly overdressed as per usual. And with that, I guess we'll get this journey started. I will try to remember to get some B-roll clips of me traveling up there, things that happen along the way. I don't imagine it's going to be very eventful. It's just the train station and myself for now. Try not to get sunburnt, so I've been hiding in the shade over there. Probably will take off this ridiculous sweater. I saw that it was like 12 degrees when I woke up, so I thought, yeah, maybe I'll wear something a little thicker today, but I don't need it when it's 21 degrees out here. So anyways, we're on our way to the store, try to capture some other shots on my way, and we'll edit it together, and hopefully this is some valuable content to one of my friends who says I should do more reviews. Hopefully this will satisfy your interests.
faster with the minutes and we get locations.
was looking at the stars, and it took my breath away. Lightning on the highway, so near, so far away. And as the fires burn and the pages turn, it's like the book of Revelations to me. It's the hand beneath the ocean wave. It's the wild horse of intention, and I'm still wondering. I'm still waiting for the sun to rise. And I'm standing right here. If you wanna dance, maybe love with me. Give me one last chance. I'm looking at the stars and where they come from, baby, deep in your eyes. I'm still waiting for the sun to rise. I'm still waiting for the sun, waiting for the sun to rise.